Good day, everyone, and welcome to this comprehensive training series focused on AI, large language models, and their integration with AppInsight and AI powered APIs. Throughout this series, we will explore the fundamentals of AI model, understand the concept of LLMs, and walk through the setup of an AI account. We will identify and install the necessary packages, configure the basic data, and will perform the queries using LLM within .NET environment. Furthermore, we will configure application inside, set up the permissions, integrate the APIs, and use the KQL to query the telemetry information. And finally, we will set up and demonstrate that how LLM can be utilized to interact and analyze the telemetry data which is provided by AppInsight. So this is our course plan. I will walk you through that how we can configure the AI model and .NET application so that our .NET application can consume the models and provide us the necessary information. And then we will test the .NET application with basic data, and we will query that data with help of LLM. And then we will configure the app insight and set up the necessary permissions so that we could use the app insight within our APIs. And then we will integrate the app insight to consume the telemetry information with help of KQL in .NET. And finally, we will integrate both AI models and AppInsight in our API, and we will query the telemetry data with help of LLMs. So at the end of this course, you will see that in order to observe the logs or the exceptions on AppInsight, you don't need to log in to the Azure portal. Those all the logs are available in your APIs, and you can query those logs or analyze those logs with help of LLMs. So let's dive in and start configuring .NET application and AI models in our next video.